Hello and welcome back to my scraproom. My name is Jennifer Perry and I am an independent consultant with Close to My Heart. And today I want to show you a little organizational tool that I've been using for a little while. This is not my idea. I did find it off another YouTube channel, but for the life of me I cannot remember which one it is. So I'm just going to go right out there and say it's not my idea, but I love the idea and I want to share it with you. This is how I store my thin cuts. This is just a regular Close to My Heart Everyday Life album. This is one of the older ones. I think this is from last year, but I liked the black stripes. And on the inside, I took the Everyday Life pages that are 4x6 on the insides, and our thin cuts fit perfectly inside. I just have to trim a wee bit off the edge of the magnet. And once that is done, I'm able to get all of my thin cuts in one spot to where when I'm ready to go to a retreat, I just have to grab one binder, because normally your retreat locations at least have a cuddle bug. So I'm able to grab one binder and I take off with all of my thin cuts. Now these ones that go with stamp sets, I have a drawer that I keep, you've seen how I organize my stamps. I have just one of my drawers and all it says is thin cut stamp sets. So if it's a stamp set that goes with a thin cut, it goes in that drawer, regardless of if it's a sentiment, regardless if it is what kind of stamp it is and how I would normally categorize it. If it goes with a thin cut, it goes in that drawer. So everything is just in here. And then say you've got your larger thin cuts, which let me go over to that. This is the thin cut from a different company, both of these here, and I just took the full-size little page protector and stuck in it, and I'm able to slide it right down in there. I think this one's actually a mini binder page protector that you get at like Staples or something, but I know Close to My Heart's got some too, but I believe this particular one is like for a mini binder. And here's another one. I bought these dies just before, literally just before Close to My Heart announced they had them. So now I'm transitioning over getting the Close to My Heart ones. Yeah, this is one of the Close to My Heart pages. And here's the Close to My Heart thin cuts that go with it. And as you can see, I've got more pages in the back, so I've got room to grow. So anytime I go for a retreat, if I feel like taking my thin cuts with me, all I have to do is take my one little binder and I am good to go. If you like this idea and you want to set up a notebook of your own, please go to myscraproom.net, hit that shopping tab, and then go to, I believe, albums is where it is. Thank you for spending time with me. Until next time, bye-bye.